minahal kong taga Dumaguete, ang pagselebrar nato karon sa Pasko ug ang bagong tuig, dili na kayo pareho kaniadto nga masadya o masigarbuhon tungod kini sa pandemic nga COVID-19 virus. But we should never be silenced or be muted, for our faith and resilience will get us through. Our faith in Jesus Christ remains steadfast as we look forward to a healthier, a prosperous, and more robust 2021. We have been struggling daily, of course, and for almost a year now, but thankfully, we have been successful in keeping the number of COVID virus cases in our city at a very low and manageable level, keeping our community safe. Our work continues as we invest in capable personnel and resources in the fight against the dreaded virus. Dumaguete being the transit hub for trade, commerce, education, healthcare in Negros Oriental, yet we are still able to keep our number of infections manageable and at very low level. Thanks to the meticulous planning, dedication, and focus of our frontliners and government officials. But of course, this would not have been made possible without the trust and cooperation of the public and the residents of Dumaguete City. Ang tinuod nga diwa sa Pasko, mao kanang paghatag wholeheartedly sa imong kaugalingon, sa imong taga Dumaguete, sa imong silingan, sa imong mga sakop, sa imong mga empleyado. This is demonstrated no less than by the birth of Jesus Christ, so that we could all be saved and granted eternal life. And in this global pandemic, we have witnessed people from various walks of life give their very best, oftentimes their welfare at risk, to serve and keep our community, our families, friends, visitors safe from COVID-19. So, as we celebrate Christmas and the holidays, we pay tribute to and thank the many nameless citizens, organizations, health workers, frontliners who have selflessly given their support and assistance in whichever way they can in our common fight against COVID virus. In John chapter 8, verse 12, the Lord Jesus Christ declared, "I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have light of life." Tonight, we light up our community Christmas tree to celebrate the very season that affirms our faith and reminds us in these most trying times that Jesus Christ is the light of the world. We shall keep our faith as we continue to heal as one. Sa tanan akong mga kauban sa buhat, sa gobyerno, mga opisyales, mga empleyado, our beloved citizens, visitors and friends, and partners all over the world, gikan sa akong kinahilagman, sa akong kasing-kasing, gikan sa akong pamilya, I want to greet all of you once more a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and safe 2021. Maayong gabi karatong tanan.
Good evening and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk. Tonight, we'll be showing to you episode 2 of our interview with Mayor Pedro Molyo, focusing on specifically yung groundbreaking natin for the 18-story building, our tower, and also the lighting up of the Christmas community tree, and as well as other initiatives, no, yung upcoming na mga pamaskong handog, yung mga rice subsidies that the Mayor was talking about last episode, and this is the continuation of that particular discussion and talk with Mayor Pedro Molyo. So sit back, relax, and let's watch episode 2 of that interview. Recently also, no, right after the groundbreaking sa 18-story na tower, we also held the light-up ceremony of the community Christmas tree. No? Now, it was noticed by some that ours is quite modest na Christmas tree. Your comments on this, Mayor?
Well, yes, it was a brief and meaningful Christmas tree light up. Dili lang tree atong gi-light up, kung kitong mga animals, figures of animals nga naapoy lightings nga kitong animals nga endangered species. Animals found in Negros Oriental endangered species. It's also educational for our kids.
Correct.
I love the mga kitong soloist nga bata. That she's the future of our city. Maay kay mo kanta. Narabagoy star quality. Antigo na siya mo posing in front of a camera. And may siya kuan. Dako kay siya future. Okay? Walay kuan. You will be our future Lea Salonga. Pero taga Dumaguete siya. No? That is a talent na we should also cultivate. Daghang matag talent din eh, daghang tag artist. So muna ang mga tawhana nga nakong contribution. Again, kasi Glinda Diswatan, our perennial MC. Okay? Maabot pa ng 50 years pa, no? Si Glinda Giape atong MC. I am sure. Okay? So muna ang contribution niya sa syudad, sa Dumaguete. Okay? Daghang kaitag mga people nga wala mga name, wala ganit di ganit kita makahinumdog ilang ngalan, but regardless napod sila daghang contribution. Kana si Dr. Absin by next weekend Saturday, no, iya gyapong ipasundayag itong iyang yearly light up of his the Absin house.
Correct.
Napo, that's a iconic house, iconic Christmas embellishment, lighting, and Dumaguete is also known for the Absin Christmas light up.
Right.
Kaya up to this time, siya gihapon, si Dr. Rico Absin. Kanina na ba, volunteerism. Muna itong gi-cultivate yun. Muna yung mga tawhana nga, tagaan na ito, di lang plaque, but gold medal. Okay? Mga sulundon nga ilang mga gawi. Okay? Yeah. Sulundon gawi, dili crab mentality. Okay? Kaya ng crab mentality will lead us nowhere. And they are the cancer of society. Kana mga yun na ng utok. Okay? I don't know, kana magbutang-butang, kana it's just simply inggit lang tingali. Di gini mo makakuan, di gini mo madikayan. Whatever you do, if naagi masaway ni mga apoy mga grupo gani sa mga commentators. Pipila lang hinuuna sila nga isa kung sa imong buhaton naagi sila sa opposite side. Wa sila kakitag maayo sa atong gibuhat. Okay? Mga tao na lay mo husgar, makakita mo sila na. Okay? So muna siya, let's keep bisag na ani sila, kita mo padayon lang ihapon, hoping na in the end the greater majority will understand and appreciate even without thanking us. Kaya di man ta hilig anang tarpaulin nga salamat Mayor Ripe for this project. Kumanta na. Mo lang kay taxes naman na. Kita magpasalamat for the taxpayer for the taxes that they have paid sa mga taxpayers. Wala itong gusto. Okay?
Sir, on another area of your initiatives, yung punong barangays natin have submitted the list of recipients for the 25 kilos rice subsidy per household. For our viewers, may you reiterate the guidelines on how they could avail or qualify for this particular subsidy or assistance that you're providing?
Okay. Ang atong nakita, ang atong na survey na kitong mga number of households in Dumaguete. Yes. Bila kabok bubong o balay, muy taga na itong tagsa-kasako nga 25 kilos each. Muna siya basic. Whether botante ka o dili, basta naa kay balay, basta sulod ka sa balay, nasakop ka, nakadawat ang usa ka, tagsara mo. Kung pulo mo kabok, magbahin mo.
Correct.
Una siya. Una nga, usara kabubong ang matagaan. Okay? Kitong unay sobra, kitong mga taga Dumaguete nga tuan na nanimuyo dito sa Sibulan, Bakong, ubang lugar, kung maabtan po, kung registered voter sila diri, posible pa silang matagaan. But second round na sila.
Okay.
Okay? Pero kung naadiri, nanimuyo, actual, matagaan na sila.
No, sir, there were some complaints initially katong una natong distribution price that they were not able to receive, no, yung mga rice na distribute natin. No? Now, how are we ascertaining karon that this upcoming rice distribution to more than 30,000 households would be better, and what is the timeline for the same?
Okay, mga kuanta, kitong una ang mga barangays nga una makasubmit sa number of households kaya ato man ang i-update. Muna yung unang matagaan. Kunya karon to make sure nga abanid ang pag-distribute. Dili lang mga barangay officials, ubanan na sila sa, of course, SK o sa volunteers gikan sa City Mayor's Office. And the distribution will be magsakay og kaning easy ride o sang gamay nga vehicle. Purok by purok ang paghatag. It will take time, pero before Christmas, everybody or every household should have received. Di man na hinon perfect, but itong last distribution na 25 kilos, murag wa tay problema. Naibalo ko na ta. My favorite line, we know the drill, kay kapila na tanga balik-balik o distribute og bugas. We know the drill kung mag-distribute po ka og cash benefits gikan sa DSWD, gikan sa labor, gikan sa syudad. Kabulo na po ta itong mga style na to nga hapiton sa ilang barangay o buses, palinyahon sa Burgos Street, may social distancing, orderly kayo ang distribution because, in other words, because we know the drill. Balik-balik na. Dino, you're the main man there sa distribution. Okay.
Now, ma-confirm na natin yung date sa pamaskong handog, sir, na December 15, is that correct? Is that the confirmation?
Muna i-suggest sa atong head sa DSWD, gapadayon gyapon tong atong panghatag o cash gifts or white gifts ang tawag na sa mga senior citizens, PWDs o itong indigent families. More or less, there will be 30,000 individuals na makadawat ni. That is on top of ito atong rice distribution. Nain po to siya. Kaya na ka-budget naman ni. May gani itong when I asked for the middle of last year or early this year. Early this year na budgetan na nako ang December distribution.
Okay.
So wala na apektuhan ta sa COVID.
Yeah. Sir, may plano ka rin daw na to give or to provide cash incentives to public school teachers, ba good news to, na 3,000 kada usa. When are these to be distributed, sir?
Subject to the approval sa City Council.
Okay.
Ato na nang atong pangitaag yung budget na kay kada tuig December naman tay mura gitawag og cash allowance sa mga public school teachers, itong teaching staff, no, just as we have been giving to judges allowance sa fiscals, mga police, sa pa diyang mga BGMP anang kuan sa Bureau of Fire. Okay, mura po na siya the same manner kini sila na kuan lang hinon, instead of monthly ang allowance amo na gitibuok na ni na tradition nga at the end of the year usa ihatag ang mura na po nag Christmas pero di yun na timing lang sa December na gihatag. Every year nagtataas. When I assume as mayor 1,000 na to siya, kanya nagdugang tag 1,500, 2,500, 1,500, then 1,800, 2,500, karon 3,000 per teaching staff
Wow.
sa DepEd.
Now, in parting, sir, no, Mayor, as we enter the Christmas season and amidst the COVID pandemic, what gives you hope that indeed better days are coming?
Well, I feel nga pag abot na sa sunod tuig, nakita na nato nga ang vaccine is it's a clear as the sun will shine tomorrow, no, so to speak. Klaro na nang na-vaccine, hopefully first quarter. So hugong na lang ta, and then I can see that due to the pandemic, nakita nila nga Dumaguete ng mga investors is among the places nga angay mo invest sila. That's number 2. In fact, number ngani giduaw na ta sa mga kadagkuan sa AirAsia.
Correct. Yes.
Ngani unta karong December 14 sila musugod, pero himo na lang nila first week or first quarter of during the first 3 weeks of January next year. No? Nana sila di mo na ilang target on the 3rd week or in the first week of January. Dako kay ng significance kay tulo na kay eroplano nga mo hopefully moarang-arang atong COVID situation. Kunya naana punta niya lipay punta nga naanay molecular lab ang atong probinsya, provincial hospital. That would make our swabbing or our testing available and faster.
Correct.
And at a low cost. Muna siya nga mo tabang ako nagikatabang sa atong turismo. Then we'll probably start opening our hotels. So daghan na tayong mga bisita. I'm very sure of that. Even sa Manila karon daghang mga amigong brokers, Makati down ang mga presyo. Katunga, mamaligya ng mga kondominyo. Down din sila ang real estate. But ang Dumaguete, wala na kataas. Wala na apektuhan ang presyo.
Yeah.
So that's a good sign. Wala kahit ang confidence sa mga lot owners, wala may baba muna because of the investors.
Yes.
No? Ato yun siyang, let's not push away the investor. Dili na to ato ginagalit silang kuan, atong abi-abihon. Dili na to itulod, dili na to sila i-discourage by negativity again. Ato mahimo maganda ato ning abi-abihon pag-ayo. Apila na galing bola-bola, abi-abihon. Dili na siya hadlokon. Positivity gyapon. Okay? Daghan na kayo. Even in call centers, mamalhin ang mga executive diri manimuyo dili lang temporarily but for good. Ana. So dako kay ko dako mo na mga positive things that are happening para sa atong syudad. So dili ta mo asenso ta og samot in 2021. With or without the virus.
That's good to hear, sir. Mayor Ipe, dagang salamat yun for again being in my program of Let's Talk. And definitely you'll be back again next Wednesday for siguro we talk about other initiatives and developments that are in store for the year 2021 sa first quarter ng 2021 natin, sir. No?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure you have a lined up of activities and developments that are your planning and your city administrator is going city administration is going to do for the city of Dumaguete. So again, Mayor, dagang salamat yun for being here and being with me tonight as my guest. Thank you, Mayor.
Dagang salamat, Dino. Let's talk positive.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk positive.
Siguro, ibahin ko na yung title talaga, sir.
Let's shut up negative.
Anyways,
Okay.
for my viewers, no, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can spread the good news all over, not only in Dumaguete, not only in the Philippines, but all over the world. That Dumaguete is alive despite the pandemic. So the links are shown on your screen. Please do subscribe to Let's Talk with Doc Dino.
Let's talk positive,
Let's talk.
silent negative.
So, Mayor, salamat. And that's our episode for tonight. I'm Doc Dino. Be well.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream aloud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight. So take back my life, so prove I'm alright. So my power's turned on, starting right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song, and I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I've still got another fight left in me. Losing friends and I'm chasing sleep. Everybody's worried about me. I'm too deep. Say I'm too deep. 22 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. Still believe, yeah, still believe. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream aloud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight. So take back my life. So prove I'm alright. So my power's turned on, starting right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song, and I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I've still got another fight left in me. Another fight left in me. Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single